2024 Miss Bugias! Mr. Benguet 2024 is congratulations, Mr. Bugias!
At makakasama nga hindi, actually kasama nga natin ngayon si Mr. and Miss Benguet 2024, Mr. Jared Lu Tido.
Ayan, makakasama din natin si Miss Benguet from the province of Bugias na punong-puno ng patatas. Oo pala, oo, ayan, si Miss Lovely Balanoy Bumuway.
Hello, good morning sa inyong dalawa. Naku, nakakatuwa lang. Thank you so much for being here this morning. How are you, Sir Jared?
I'm feeling great. Thank you for the invitation, Sir and Ma'am Vanessa.
Ayan,
Miss Lovely?
Yes po, we are really grateful that we are able to join yung show nyo po so that we could also share inspiring stories to the people po.
Totoo nga naman, di ba? What was going through your mind nung hindi pa na-i-announce? Kasi both of you guys are from Bugias.
Yes
Oo, what was going through your mind, Lovely?
Actually, it's a mix of emotions po, pero that time I was really praying na if God, if it's your will, give it to me. Kasi alam kong malaki na naman ang responsibility.
Yes, oo. So, kabado ka noon, time na yon, sobra.
I was at peace po.
Sabi nga nila, kapag at peace ka, para sa'yo na yan.
Hindi, pero totoo yun, no? If you're at peace, tapos ongoing yung announcement,
Yes,
para, naramdaman mo ba nung time na yun na para sa'yo yung corona?
I had dreams before po, actually. Yeah. Pero sabi ko po, it's still God's way in timing pa rin po. So parang that time sabi ko, I'm at peace kasi either I get the crown or not, I will still pursue my advocacy po.
Oo. Kasi kumbaga siya, Miss Lovely, no? Grace under pressure.
Yes po.
Yes naman. Si Sir Jared, ano naman, what was going through your mind? Kasi the reaction was so big, no? Was it your dream joining Mr. and Miss Benguet?
Before that, I was not really thinking about joining even modeling kasi I was a person of combative sports and I got pummeled with kicks and punches in my face, and through the influence of someone naman with handlers, they pushed me, and that's where I started Mr. Poblacion, and then going to Mr. Bugias, and then going to Mr. Benguet. Yes.
Pero prior to joining Mr. and Miss Benguet, you also joined another pageant, correct?
That's the regional pageant. Ganap din sa Baguio. That is the Manhat Star, Mr. Grand Philippines Cordillera, in which we got the title of Manhat Star Philippines Cordillera.
Yes. So, national ka din.
Yes po. For next year pa naman.
Grabe ang responsibilidad, Sir Jeffred, no?
Jared. Sir Jared, oo. Nabanggit mo kanina about advocacy, Lovely. Ano ba tong advocacy natin?
Actually, after winning as Mr. and Miss Bugias, my partner and I founded this organization, EcoMind po. So, we are not only raising mental health awareness, but we are also offering services like online and on-site counseling pag nag-outreach programs po kami sa mga school. And we are proud na ngayon, we already accumulated 1,400 participants.
Wow.
Mga high schools po sa Bugias. And yun po yung gusto naming i-level up now that we are Mr. and Miss Benguet. We are also Mr. and Miss Advocate.
Generally, ano po yung ginagawa sa grupo po?
Ang ginagawa po namin, we are having lectures or seminars about mental health, and then after that, we are having breakout groups kung saan po kina-counsel namin yung mga bata. In that way, nakakakuha din po kami ng data, what are the common stressors of the students.
Maganda yon. So, since ito yung advocacy mo, you're still a student?
Actually, I'm already graduating.
I see. Si Sir Jared naman, ano po ang inyong advokasya din?
Same as her kasi since we are Mr. and Miss Benguet nga, we try to collaborate in each other. Actually, ang main advocacy ko din kasi as a sports Adventist and a practitioner is sports holistic growth through sports and fitness. Binabalak namin na ipasok yon sa advocacy namin na EcoMind. So parang our own vision is not only Bugyas now, is that to go outside Bugyas na rin. Yeah.
Dapat lang.
Yes.
No, kasi pero ang sarap siguro sa pakiramdam no na both of you guys are from Bugyas. How does it feel?
Actually, I'm feeling great kasi it's the pressure before the pageant. Actually, we have our Mr. Bugyas as our last year, and the pressure is on me because I was thinking we have to get the crown itself, and then we are proud that we got another history in which is to back. It's the first time in history that Miss Bugyas won a pageant here in Adivay, in the Mr. Miss Benguet. Yeah.
First time?
Yeah.
Nang Bugyas, Miss?
Yes, Miss po.
Wow, congratulations! History in the making.
Tatlo actually yun. Like yung back-to-back na dalawa kami. And then first time. And then yung back-to-back na Mr. Yung parang tatlong history in making.
Ang galing naman nitong Mr. and Miss Benguet 2024 kamusta yung journey ninyo? Oo.
Actually, for me, I'm really grateful kasi yun, other than we both won, is parang mas na-develop. Nakita ko po yung connection ng power duo namin. Na-develop po yung relationship namin as partners sa field na to. And then, one thing there po is naka-implement din kami ng advocacies before we won. Actually, yung naka-highlight po dito is the preparation of the mind and heart before the trainings ng Q&A and pasarela. So, we really are grateful kasi ang daming puyat, ang daming effort. We even have to bring out pocket money sa bulsa namin para maka-implement ng advocacies po. So, now that we have the crown and the platform, I believe po na mas malaki pa ang ma-reach namin.
Oo, feeling ko din yan. Pero alam mo, may isang magandang kwento dito, sa kanilang dalawa, Miss Vanessa, mga ka-MB. Si Sir Jared, recently, may nangyari kasi sa kanya personal. And itong pagkakapanalo niya at pagsali pa niya sa yung mas nauna na pageant, dala-dala niya ang kwentong ito. Mr. Jared, baka...
marinig kung ano tong kwento po.
2 months ago actually is I have this backbone in which I started. This is my girlfriend kasi my girlfriend died 2 months ago. That was 1 week before my prior to Manhat Star, yung nanalo ko ng crown. And here's the thing, I always carry her behind my back in the picture around me when I achieve something in my achievements or success kasi nung talagang wala ako, even before joining Mr. Benguet, siya na yung nagpupunas ng aking suit kung may rackets akong pupuntahan. Or siya rin yung nagpapakain sa akin actually kasi noon talaga I am hard when it comes to financial dati. And siya rin yung nandyan nagtuturo sa akin to inspire and be humble all the time when it comes kahit being successful in my endeavors. Kaya I'm always proud, not to brag, but to showcase the whole world who is one of the people that trusted me that I can do it. Yan lang po.
Oo, alam mo ba na nito pagkapanalo niya ng Mr. Benguet, dala-dala niya yung picture ng kanyang girlfriend. Nakakatuwa pero sabi mo nga, siya talaga yung nag-inspire din sa'yo, nag-push sa'yo, and behind your winning, kamusta yung relationship na meron ka sa kanya nun?
It's very great kasi yung relationship ko. Nung Mr. Benguet that time, binisita ko siya sa puntod niya in the morning. Naaga talaga ako kasi need namin mag-preparation. So I prayed, I asked for her guidance, and with the grace of God, aligning the stars. And that night, binigay naman sa amin yung crown na dalawa. And I'm very grateful naman.
Feeling ko talaga nandun siya nung gabi niya. Binulungan niya yung mga judges. Huwag kayong bias.
Jared po ang pangalan.
Di ba? Oo, totoo. And, Miss Lovely, eto very personal din ito kasi I've been seeing a lot of posts recently about your winning, bashing, mga ganyan.
There are a lot of negative comments dito, ma'am, na since mga ka-MB being a Cordilleran, alam ko din naman personally sa akin na iba talaga ang build ng mga Cordilleran, lalo na sa mga babae kasi syempre, most especially taga Bugyas yan, nagbubuhat yan ng patatas. May lobyas pa yan minsan. And then dito po, paano ho tayo nag-cope up sa mga ganito, sa mga negative comments po na natatanggap natin sa social media?
it happened actually nung nanalo po ako Miss Bugyas. Even during the pageantry ng Miss Bugyas, ang dami na pong questions, ang dami na pong criticisms. However, I would like to go back noon when I was really insecure about my physical appearance. When I was looking at yung built na muscles ko, yung calves ko, I was also reminded, actually ito yung hard work ko as an athlete because I am a very sporty person. I'm playing taekwondo, volleyball, and basketball. Even now, nung nag-college po ako, I was one of the varsity players ng UC sa basketball women. And then, doon ko po nakita na this is not something that I should be hiding. It's something that I should be proud of. Kasi ito yung reason kung bakit andito pa rin ako at this moment. And I was able to have my scholarships po because of this. So, and other than being a typical Igorota or yung livelihood po namin doon, is that ito yung representation ng perseverance ko as a woman na we are not just being the Barbie doll.
Exactly.
Diba?
Totoo. We need to celebrate who we are. We need to celebrate our past, our livelihood. We need to celebrate our municipality, our province, the Benguet, right? And ewan ko sa inyo mga ka-MB, pero looking at her personally, she's really pretty.
Ang ganda niya.
Ang ganda mo.
Oo.
And you deserve it. You deserve the crown. You deserve all the glory that you are experiencing now. Lahat ng ito, you deserve it. Sigurado, sobra yan. Kasi nga naman, sinong hindi magdi-deserve ng ganito? Etong dalawang to, ang tatalino. Ay, sinasabi ko sa'yo, eto, panoorin natin kung ano nga ba yung nagkapagpanalo din sa kanila beside their physical appearance. Ay, brains natin na. Panoorin natin to mga ka-MB.
Practice of Kanyao. But in inner picture, we have what we call albubo in our municipality that I might share to you. Albubo basically means not only giving out a helping hand without asking something in return, but also through practices like this, we are being united as one through celebrations and through love for our community. So I would like to love our government officials after this pageant. Let us collaborate. Inspire the youth by creating some platforms and programs, especially to our private businesses, that we can raise funds so that we can cultivate our cultures and traditions. And Albubo and through these pictures are just one of many traditions that our ancestors have passed through upon us for our generations, that we can pass it on for the future next generation to benefit from
Thank you
it.
so much.
Presented in the picture is our livelihood farming. This is the main means of livelihood that we have here in Benguet, which is something that we should also highlight. We are the vegetable panorama of the North, and we are the backbone of the economy, which is something that I would like to encourage everyone to have these programs and activities to connect with the local government units, because if we are able to protect these farmers, or us farmers, me as a daughter of a farmer, we will attain a sustainable Benguet with a better quality of life, which is something that we should share to international or to the international level. Thank you po.
Tapos,
Grabe talaga.
Para namang hindi mo masasabing hindi mananalo yung mga ganyan.
Oo.
Beauty and brains.
Oh, pag natalo pa yan, ewan ko na lang.
Ewan
Mr.
ko na lang.
Benguet, ah.
Oo. Di ba? May Macau na dyan. Di ba? Oh, maraming salamat for sharing both of your stories, your advocacies and whatnot. Mensahe natin sa mga susunod na makokoronahan siguro, at mga mensahe natin sa mga kabataan that are looking up to you right now.
Okay po. So, as for me, I would like to be thankful and grateful to everyone. Sa support niyo po, we would not be here without the collective effort of every individual po sa community natin. And as for us, yung mga gusto pong sumali, do it. Regardless of your gender, regardless of your shape, regardless of your skin color, we are more than being the Barbie dolls, but rather being the woman of impact of our community. And sa mga kabataan po, wag niyo pong i-underestimate yung sarili ninyo. You can make a big change kahit gaano pa kaliit yan. Even the small act of kindness can change someone's life po. Yeah.
Grabe talaga. Si Mr. ano po? Jared.
So good morning, everyone. First off, I would like to say hi to my mom and dad watching right now, and to all of our supporters, especially our sponsors that help us through prayers and financially. We wouldn't be here if because of you. And to our handlers, makeup artists, and managers, thank you very much. And also to our supporters and to whatever you call them, opinions, misinformed. All I can say is I thank you, because I take you as a critic. Because mali nga natin kung tama or mali, pero as long as alam namin na tama yung ginagawa namin para sa community, all I can say to the people is that if you are pursuing this career, you should believe on what you can do. Because God given us the both body and mind to work with it, and now to do it, to inspire other young ones also. Because I believe that we have the both body and mind to work with. That's all.
Ayun. Di bata po. Ako din. Thank you very much, everyone, for the support. Because I believe and I thank you. Basta ito lang masasabi ko ha. Bashers or kung ano man ang tawag sa inyo, every crown or every head deserves that crown. And both of them showed kung bakit nga sa kanila napunta itong mga koronang ito. It's both responsibility. It's something that they will be showing off for the whole year and even after that. Kaya tumigil na kayo. Tapos na tinapos na nila. Tapos magsasalita pa kayo. Ano, babalik nyo yon? Kayo ang magpro-produce?
Oo. Huwag kayong tumigil. Abangan nyo kung ano yung mga
kaya nilang gawin.
True.
Oo. Watch out, people. Mr. and Miss Bugyas will be there showing you what they can do. At naka-antabay ang RNG Luzon. And we will always be supporting you sa mga endeavors ninyo. And congratulations once again for winning Mr. and Miss Benguet 2024. Well-deserved. And you are well-loved. And your advocacy, keep on doing that. Ayan. Naka mga ka-MV.